we have addition of polynomials. In this example, our polynomials are binomials because they have two terms. So we have negative 2y plus x, and we have plus y plus 3x. We have to add these two binomials, because they, like I said, they have two terms. So this is equal. First we have to take down the parentheses, and we copy exactly the same what we have in parentheses, because we have positive sign before parentheses. So negative 2y plus x, we have plus y plus 3x. Next we have to combine the like terms. We will put in alphabetic order. So first will be x. We have x and 3x, and we have negative 2y and positive y. So this is equal. Like I said, we start from x. We have x and x, so we copy variable x, and now we have to just add the coefficients before x's. When we don't have coefficients, it's always 1. So we have 1 plus 3 is 4. Positive 4, we don't have to write plus. And next we have y and y, the same variable. So we copy variable, and we have to add the coefficients. When we don't have coefficient, it's always invisible 1, like I said. So we have 1 and negative 2. We copy the sign, the larger number. 2 is larger than 1, so we keep sign, the larger number will be negative. And now we have to just subtract from the larger number smaller. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have negative 1y. We don't have to write the 1, so the solution will be 4x minus y only.